AMC Management Software. AMC Management Software is a type of software designed to help businesses manage their annual maintenance contracts, AMCs, with customers. The software allows businesses to keep track of customer service requests, schedule preventive maintenance activities, and manage contracts and agreements with customers. Some of the key features of AMC Management Software include contract management. The software helps businesses manage their AMC contracts with customers, including contract creation, renewal, and termination. Service request management. AMC Management Software allows businesses to manage customer service requests and track their progress through the service process. Preventive maintenance scheduling. The software enables businesses to schedule preventive maintenance activities, such as equipment inspections and repairs, to ensure customer equipment is running efficiently. Billing and invoicing. AMC Management Software provides billing and invoicing features to manage contract payments and ensure timely payment from customers. Reporting and analytics. The software offers customizable reports and analytics to help businesses monitor the performance of their service activities and make informed decisions. Overall, AMC Management Software is a useful tool for businesses providing maintenance services to customers, helping to streamline service processes, reduce downtime, and improve customer satisfaction. For demo and free trial, please visit us at www.rpluscrm.com. Call us at 9,769,611,937.